Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to change your profile picture on the WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen to open the main menu. Now, after clicking on the settings, tap on the current profile picture or your name at the top of the page to enter the profile section. So here my profile picture which I don't have uploaded. And after that, now tap on the camera icon at the bottom right corner of your profile picture. On iOS, tap on the edit button at the top right corner of your profile. Choose a new photo from your gallery or take a new photo from your camera smartphone, and you can also take the avatar. So after that, if I choose this picture, now crop the photo to your liking and tap to turn to save the changes, and your new profile picture will be now visible to all your contacts on the WhatsApp. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.